Tower, good morning, Oscar Kilo Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50.
Kilo Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50 to Brno Tower, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Skylark DV1 Ultralight at Herbst. We request VFR to the north via November with information. Papa QNH 1020 and if possible flight level 65.
Papa current QNH 1020, cleared as the VFR, exit point November, initially climbed 2,500 feet, squawk 4321.
Clear for the north departure via November, initially 2,500 feet, squawk 4321, Oscar Kilo Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50.
Correct. Taxi via your position is area south?
Affirmative, we are at Herbst.
So taxi via Whiskey holding point runway 27.
Taxi to hold the point runway 27 via Whiskey Oscar Kilo Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50. Brno Tower, Oscar Kilo Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50, holding short runway 27, ready for departure.
Oscar Kilo Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50, cross runway 26, line up runway 27, backtrack is approved.
Cross runway 26, line up runway 27, backtrack won't be necessary, Oscar Kilo Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50.
Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50, VFR traffic, helicopter departed from Bravo, proceeding to November, runway 27, clear for takeoff in 310 degrees, 5 knots.
Helicopter traffic inside, clear for takeoff, runway 27, Oscar Kilo Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50. Full power. Instruments are good. We're off. Top 0. Course 3.
Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50, climb to flight level 65.
Climb to flight level 65, Oscar Kilo Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50. Excellent climb performance this morning. Cool air, no wind.
Oscar Kilo Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50, contact Praha radar 127.350, bye bye.
Praha radar 127.350, have a good day, Oscar Kilo Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50. Praha radar, good morning, Oscar Kilo Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50, 3000 to flight level 65.
Oscar Kilo Whiskey Alpha Romeo 50, Praha radar, hello, and what is your requested routing after November?
After November will be Lima Kilo, Mike Kilo, Lima Kilo, Sierra Uniform.
Okay.